Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be explaining to you what viewsbooster.com.ng platform is all about. Many of you might be misinterpreting it for maybe social media accounts boosting. No, it's not TikTok, Instagram or any YouTube social media accounts boosting platform. Alright, it's for those who want to have hundreds to thousands of WhatsApp status views on their accounts. Alright, like instead of messaging people on WhatsApp to save up your account, no, you just have to come down to this platform and automate everything. All right, and how it works, they just visit the platform, upload your name and contact info. Others to upload their contact info as well. Then the contact file will be downloaded in a .vcf extension. VCF stands for visual contact file. Alright, then the file will be dropped for everyone in a WhatsApp group, and if everyone should import that particular file, that automatically means everyone's in that group has everyone's WhatsApp number without anyone messaging anyone to save up their contacts. Alright, that's how I was able to have this much contact here, and trust me, 98% of those number here has my contact saved on their device as well. And the best thing is I didn't message any of them telling them to save up my WhatsApp contact or whatever. Alright, it was all automated. With ViewsBooster you can be sure of having views like those ones here. These ones, as you can see, they are real humans, and that is what the platform is all about. All right, with this platform you can be rest assured of gaining hundreds to thousands of active WhatsApp users in few short period of time. All right, so without wasting much of your time, let's get started. All right, so this is the first page you will see if you are just visiting the website for the first time. Then all you have to do, you can take your time to scroll through it to have some idea or knowledge of what the website is all about. Then you click on get started here. After that, the next page that appears is a registration page for you to register an account, and registration is absolutely for free. All right, so first you enter your username here, your email address, ensure the email address you can receive an email there. All right, then your country, and select your country here. I'm in Nigeria, so I'll just type in Nigeria and select your country. Next is your phone number, and WhatsApp number is actually recommended here. All right, so you enter your WhatsApp number, then you enter your password, then confirm the password as well. Then when you're done, you click on create account. All right, so immediately you finish creating the account, it will automatically redirect you to login page, to this particular page right here. All right, so you just simply enter your email address just using registry, then your password here, and when you're done, you click on login. All right, so let's log in and see. See, login is successful, and here is the UI. all right, here is the dashboard, here is the user dashboard. You can click to create session from here or manage your session if you have one already created. And you can scroll down to see the menus we have here. This one is where you create your session. Here you manage the session you have created. Here you see session created by others, and if you want to make things easier and automated, you can upgrade your account to a premium version here. Then at the bottom now we have the more VCF here, create session here, upgrade here, then profile down here. All right, so let me start from create session. This one, you just click on it, you enter your session name. This is the name you want to give to your session. Example, I can just say something like Benfei VCF session. All right, then here target people count, the number of people you want to have in this particular session. All right, it can be something, maybe in my own case I can enter something like 200 people. Then duration in days, you can enter any days you want. Then WhatsApp link is optional, but then it is very recommended you enter your WhatsApp link here, so that anyone that uploads to your session will automatically be redirected to your WhatsApp group. All right, then you can download the file, the session file, and send to them on WhatsApp. Then the next field here is the prefix. The prefix is just like giving a label to your contacts. All right, so as I say, emoji is recommended here. Recommend you entering an emoji here. One emoji, maybe I can see something like this emoji. Then the visibility, you can choose either public or private, but then public is most recommended. Then target people country is also optional. It's optional, like if you want to target a particular country, all right, meaning it's only contacts from that country that can be uploaded in this session. All right, but if you want to leave it open for everyone, you can leave it at any country. All right, so when you're done, you click on create session. Let's create the session and see. All right guys, so our session is successfully created. Just go ahead and click on OK, and this is the session we just created. All right, and here is the session link. You can click this copy button here to copy the link, and look at the test here. Session created successfully. This session will be auto deleted if after 10 days it has less than 20 members. So guys, in order to keep your session active in your system, just go ahead and share this link to people that wants to verify in your session. All right, so that after 10 days you can have more than 20 members, so it won't be auto deleted. All right, and this is the session we just created. You can go ahead now and open this session to see how to upload in it. As you can see, this is the prefix we give to this session. Every expected contact name will begin with that prefix, and this is the target people we set, and it currently have 0 contacts with 200 contacts remaining. All right, so to upload in this session, you just come back here, just come to this place, enter your name. You can enter something like Benfei. Then depending on your location, your country code will automatically appear here. Then you enter your phone number in this format. All right, in this format guys. Then when you're done, you click on upload contacts. Oh sorry, the country code already displayed, so no need of starting with country code. So just enter the remaining numbers of your contacts in this way. Then you click on upload contacts. As you can see, our contact is successfully uploaded, and no WhatsApp link set for this session. If not, it would have been redirected to that WhatsApp group. And as you can see, it currently have 1 contact already. That's the one we just uploaded. All right, and the remaining has reduced to 99. All right, so guys, so whenever you share your VCF link, your session link to anyone, this is the page there. And additionally, you can click here to see more VCF, that is sessions like this created by others, and you can click here to create your own, here to share the VCF link, and this place to join the WhatsApp group for this session. All right, so now let's go back to the home page and explore other option. The manage section, that's where you manage people in your VCF session. As you can see, this is our session here. I currently have 2 VCF sessions, this one and this one we just created. All right, so assuming I want to manage this one we just created here, I'll click on view, but then you can click here to copy the session link, and maybe if your WhatsApp group invite link has been reset, you can come down here and paste the new one here. Then when you're done, you click on save. All right, additionally, you can also download your VCF session from here. Even though it does not meet the target, you can download the contacts file. You can download the contacts file anytime. All right, so now let's click on view to see how we can manage contacts in this session. So this is the page, this is the name of our session, and we can also download the file from here. You can see the target here is still 200, the current is 1, remaining is 99, and prefix is here. Then this is the contacts that is in our file so far. Assuming we have like 10-20 contacts, they will all show here, but currently we have just one contact, and this is the contact. And you can manage the contacts from this place. All right, you can click to delete the contacts or edit the contacts here in case anyone make mistake. When you're done editing, you can click on save. All right, so that's that for managing of contacts. Then this place, see more VCF. This is where you see sessions like this created by other users too. Like this one at the top here is created by me, and this is the name of the session. And the session currently have 1885, and the target is 1900 contacts, and the progress bar is 99% completed. It's 99% complete, and this is the date it was created. You can click here to upload on this session, or click here to download this session if you are privileged to. If you scroll down, you see session created by other people too. All right, you can click on anyone you want to join, then upload your contact info on that session. The next menu you want to explore here is the upgrade plan. If you want to automate your accounts, automate your contacts on the system, you upgrade your account, and it costs just $0.8 per month. So what's the benefits of premium? You can create unlimited session, because on free plan sessions are limited to just 5. All right, then premium downloads, you can download any one VCF file like this one here. You can click on download here to download it. On free plan, you cannot download a session you do not own. All right, you cannot download a session you do not own. So if you're a premium user, you have that privilege of downloading any one session. And another privilege again is your contact is included in all the sessions created. All right, your contact is included in all the sessions created in the system, meaning if you don't upload your contacts on any session, that session automatically includes your contacts already. All right, so now let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me scroll down to one session I'm sure I haven't uploaded on before. For instance, this particular one, let me try to upload my contact there and see. I'll enter my name, then my contact. Now let's try to upload it. As you can see, guys, you see upload failed. This contact is already automatically included in the system and does not need to be uploaded, meaning you don't need to bother yourself uploading your contacts on any session. All right, because the contact is already included in it. Every download will trigger your number to be appended in the session. All right, and you also have a priority support. And how do you make payments? If you are based in Nigeria, you can just make a 1K transfer to this account, but if you are outside Nigeria, we suggest you use a stellar payment method. Other payment method option will be added soon, but for now we are making use of just these two. All right, then when you're done making payments, you can just come here to upload your payment proof. You click there, then choose your receipts. You can enter an optional note here like I've made payments. Then when you're done, you click on submit proof, and trust me, in less than 5 minutes your account will be upgraded and you enjoy a 30 days premium service. And just in case you are facing any difficulty upgrading to premium plan, you can click on this WhatsApp icon here to contact me. All right, so that's that for upgrade of plan. The next menu you want to explore is the profile menu down here. The profile menu, that is where you see your info, your name, your email, your phone number. You can see all of them. And maybe you want to change your phone number to a different WhatsApp number, you can do that here. you enter your new WhatsApp number, then you enter your current password. Ensure your password is correct, then you click on update phone number. Your phone number will be updated to your new one. All right, and if you're a premium user, it is that new number that will be included in all the sessions in the system. All right, and just in case you want to change your password, you come down here, you enter the current one, then your new password, then click on update password. But just in case you entirely forget the password, you click on this send reset code here. You click on it. If you click on it, a password reset link will be sent to your email. All right, to be sent to this email. That's why I said earlier that ensure you can receive email on that email. So don't use fake email to register on the system in case of something like this. All right, so the reset link will be sent to your DM, to your email, then you can continue from there. Then additionally, you can click on this icon here to switch between light and dark mode depending on your preference. All right, then I do pass in information time to time, and this is where you see them here. You click on that icon there to load all the message I'll be sending to the system. Then if you want to log out, you click on this middle one here. That is where you log out from the system. All right guys, so I hope with this tutorial you now understand what is viewsbooster.com.ng and how to use it and get the best out of the system.